Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your orders and payments on the Instagram application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the profile section at the lower right corner of the screen and tap to the three lines at the upper right corner. Tap to the settings and privacy option, the first option, and scroll down, and in the your orders and fundraisers section you can find the orders and payments option, and here you can check your recent activity, and in the payment methods you can add the payment method to the Instagram, and you can find contact info, security and help and support section. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.